What do you got there?
I have my brand spanking new rifle. Remington Model 597. Different scope than what it came with. Apparently what was supposed to be a, what was it, 6-round magazine actually holds 9 rounds. And yeah, this is a, what is this? Well, it is a nice scope, that's what I know. So let's take the first few shots. I already racked her, so here goes. Now, of course, you have to understand, I'm not going to be doing anything other than just kind of shooting in this direction. So
Sure.
we'll just fire and see how she goes. Ready?
Yep.
Nice. Is that it?
Oh, snap.
Maybe this ammo doesn't like me. That's it? That's not fucking bad at all.
I don't know if that works.
Fuck, that is